Hello, welcome to the tools. On today's video, we'll be showing you how to make use of the Avatarify V2 application to make a video call. So if it's installed, you're going to have this AV2 file and the avatar folder. So let's start the application by just clicking on this file. This is the standard Avatarify application, but this time around we just put it in a UI and optimize it better for users to use. So we just wait for it to start up. So once it starts up, you're going to see the avatar pane containing all the avatars that are in the avatar folder. Every single picture that you put in the avatar folder appears here. Remember, this is the avatar folder, it's just outside here. These are all the avatars that we have in the application. Let's go back to our application. So the avatars that are in that folder appears here. So to start the application, you just click on calibrate. You click on calibrate and there is the stabilization, lock frame, smooth motion, smoothing. Literally what it does, if you click on if you put your hover around each of these, it tells you exactly what it does. But the smooth motion, it just makes the motion more smooth. If you are running on a lower graphics card, I'll preferably you turn it on. So you select for devices, you can select the device. You can either run on CPU, GPU or remote. But in this video, we'll be making use of GPU. These are just some settings you can go through and test and see how they work. So optimization, if you want to optimize for GPU, optimize for CPU or auto. Currently, it's usually in auto, so auto is fine. And all these are in more settings. So you can resume and pause this time around. That's not a feature in the old Avatarify. You can just resume and pause anytime you want. Double clicking on the pane, it pops up the Avatarify window, the preview, it pops it out. So if you want to make use of this for a call, you are going to have OBS. I'm going to put a link to download DroidCam file. You have to download and install this file. It will contain the DroidCam driver and OBS. You can download and install on your PC, and when you install it, you'll be able to make this call, follow with the next step. But normally, if I'm to install it for you, you already have it installed on your PC. So you open OBS, you click on the plus sign, Windows Capture. Then we'll find, you see Avatarify V2 live preview, So that's what you are selecting, the live preview. So it's going to be showing the live preview window on our Avatarify, this window. So I paused it, but in your case, don't pause it. I just want to pause it to continue this video. So you click here, either you press Ctrl F or you right click and go to transform and fit to screen. This. So let's open WhatsApp. So you open WhatsApp, you go to mm, WhatsApp settings, and in settings you're going to see video, camera and video and voices. Then select Droid Cam here. Like I said, in order for you to have this Droid Cam available on your application, you need to have it installed, and the files are in the video description. You can just check the video description, you'll be able to download these files. So you click on Start Virtual Cam, you go back to your WhatsApp, and now let's try to make a call. So what's showing here, that's what's going to be showing. What's showing on your preview, that's what's going to be showing on your call. Thanks for watching.